Mayong adlaw mga igsoon. Naanapod ko karon diri sa SRPB Walk aron atong duawon ang atong pinanggang Cclex. Agosto 15, alas 8 sa kabuntagon.
it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is.
Shout out to Jumidis Delfino of Lapu-Lapu. Kamusta ka diha? And also to Nish Anipse, Rio Dumalayang of Iloilo City. Also a shout out to Cedric Orquida. Mga igsoon, huwag katapusan ang akong pagpangayo o pasalamat kaninyo, hilabi na sa mga solido nga mga sumusunod ug subscribers sa Cebuano 123. Thank you kaayo mga igsoon.